Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey Heil, and what we're going to talk about right now is Google's 5 step prompting framework. So you may ask, what's the importance of a prompt? Well, they're really important when we're dealing with large language models. An LLM prompt is a carefully crafted instruction that guides the language model's output, underscores its crucial role in ensuring accurate and contextually relevant responses from AI. So, today we're going to be covering a practical skill that will help you get better results from AI tools, whether it be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, or whatever it is you might be using. This one is called Google's 5 step prompting framework. It's essentially a method for communicating effectively with the AI. So, let's begin. Step one is the task. Clearly state what you want the AI to do. Be very specific about the action that you need. Do you need it to explain, to analyze, to compare? Taking a persona you want the AI to adopt. Do you want the AI to be an expert, a teacher, a student? So give it a persona and it will act as that person. And then the format that you want. This one is really important for the output, especially if you're going to copy and paste something else. Do you want an essay? Do you want bullet points? Do you want a table? So here's an example. Write a college application essay about overcoming challenges using a reflective tone in 500 words. Next, you want to give context. And they did give context above by saying you're writing a college application essay, and they gave we were focusing on. Context is when you give the AI relevant background information it needs to understand your request. What is your purpose or goal? Any constraints or requirements that you might have, and the important details or background information in the output you are trying to get. So, for example, I'm applying to an engineering program. I overcame a learning disability to excel in math, and I want to highlight my perseverance. So the AI will help you craft that response in a meaningful way. And then step three are references. Now, references is the way of providing examples to the large language model for what it is more specifically that you want. So you can give sample text and styles that you want. You can give links or excerpts that demonstrate what you need. You can also use your own work as a model. And I think that's really important to give it lots of examples of your own work so that then the AI can help you write within your own writing style and not like somebody else. And that is a very efficient way to let the AI be the support for you. So here's an example. Here's a paragraph from an essay I admire. So here's where I'm trying to incorporate maybe a different tone into my writing, and you insert that example, and then it'll give you feedback on that. So once we've generated that, we are given a response. And what we need to do in step four is to evaluate. This is where we critically assess the AI's output. Is it accurate? Is it factually correct? Does it contain bias or problematic content? Is it relevant to what you ask for? Is it consistent throughout? It's very common for large language models to hallucinate, meaning that you get outputs that maybe are not nonsensical or not factual. So it's very important that you take a close look at every output that you get. And remember, AI does make mistakes. So it's up to us to ensure that we are evaluating it properly. And then the last one is to iterate. If the output isn't what you need or it could be improved, I think that's what AI really helps us with is the ability to really easily improve upon something that we may have settled for without it. So we can clarify any misunderstandings in an iteration by rewriting the prompt, add more specific instructions, break complex requests into smaller parts. It makes it easier for the AI to give you stronger answers if you break the complex request into smaller parts or just try different phrasing. This is a conversation between you and the large language model. You might need several rounds to get what you want. And also remember, this framework is a skill that improves with practice. As you prepare for college and careers, being able to effectively direct AI tools will be increasingly valuable in almost any field that you enter. Good luck with your prompting.